Is it true that we must not recite Quran during forbidden times? Again, instead of giving you a fish every day, it's best for me to teach you how to fish. Anyone who gives you such a claim, he says it's forbidden to recite the Quran during forbidden times. I said, okay, what is your evidence? He says, I heard this. So I heard that the earth was flat. Does it make it true? I heard that there are aliens among us. Does it make it true? Not everything that we hear is true. So those who make such a claim will fail to provide you with any true or authentic evidence, because what is prohibited in the forbidden times is praying. So the Prophet ﷺ prohibited us from offering voluntary prayers after Asr time till the sun sets, and after Fajr prayer until the sun rises. So these are the forbidden times, alongside with 10 minutes before Dhuhr time. These are the forbidden times. To do what? To offer prayer. What kind of prayer? Only voluntary prayer. But prayers that have a reason for, they're not a problem. So if I make tawaf after Fajr, do I pray 2 rak'ahs behind the Maqam Ibrahim, though the sun has not risen yet? Yes, the answer is yes. If I enter a masjid after Asr, and I'd like to sit until Maghrib, do I pray 2 rak'ahs tahiyyat al-masjid? The answer is yes. If there's a funeral prayer after Asr Salat, do we offer it, or we say that this is forbidden times? No, we offer it. If there is an eclipse of the sun, do we offer it or say that this is forbidden time? If there were to be an eclipse, then we offer it. So to combine, what is prohibited is general voluntary prayers that have no cause or reason, except seeking thawab, seeking ajr, seeking reward. But to recite the Quran, there is no time at all during the day or night that it is prohibited for you to recite the Quran. You can do that whenever you want. Of course, there are exceptions. If someone says, I'd like to recite the Quran while praying Dhuhr behind the Imam from a Mus'haf, this is not permissible. If someone says the Imam is giving khutbah of Jum'ah and I'd like to recite the Quran, this defies the purpose of attending Friday sermon and listening to the Imam. No, I'm talking about the forbidden times which Saliha mentioned.